as a department, Smriti, your TIC welcomes you for the session 2020-21. Congratulations to one and all. I have been interacting with you since last 2 days. I see very mature first year. It's like unlikely, very, very mature. Managing all the discipline, maintaining everything, like that looks like, that's unlike first years what I am seeing in the group. So welcome all of you, and I know you will be having nice time in the college. For the time being, we will be having virtual classes and you will be interacting with your friends virtually. That time we are caught up with the pandemic. It's really sad, but this is how situation is, and we have to cope up with that. And because of that, we would be meeting online and we will be interacting. But yeah, whatever way we have to make best for ourselves. It's very good for people who are not from Delhi. You will have more time to stay with your parents. You don't have to come and eat dirty food of PGs altogether immediately, right? You can have your homemade food and you can have nice time for yourself. But at the same time, missing your friends, that makes us very sad about whole thing, and that makes us worried about the uh, what situation we are getting in. Hope to see you soon, like in the college within 2 or 3 months, because vaccine is coming up. Now I would like to introduce all the teachers to you, those who would be teaching you.
Right, Smriti, I am taking it up. Good afternoon, everyone. As Smriti ma'am has just spoken to you, we are going to introduce ourselves to our new batch, and we welcome you all on board. So, from now onwards, instead of looking at yourselves as going through the admission process, you should now look at yourself and understand yourself as a part of a department where you're going to get multiple opportunities, as Smriti ma'am already said, even while we are conducting ourselves in the online mode. So before I take you ahead, let me give you my introduction. I am Dr. Monica Chabra. A few of you would have also interacted with me during the admission process. Of course, different teachers are going to take up different papers, as in terms of the courses with you people, depending on the papers. And I'm not going to interact with you through the classroom teaching per se, but maybe one of the upcoming semesters, yes, definitely. But otherwise, we are all going to be in connect and interacting, looking forward to different events that are a part of the department. So we also have your seniors, a few of them I can see in the meeting, and they will lead you through and they will tell you about the constitution of the department from the point of view and the perspective of the student council, also the multiple activities that are undertaken in the department at frequent intervals or at planned time schedules and calendars. And I think all of you are going to have enriching as well as a very enthusiastic and interesting time being a part of this department. And specifically, when you're not here just for a short duration, we are going to sail together for the next 3 years till the time you graduate. And I now request other faculty members from the department to take it ahead from here.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Richa Chalana. I will not be teaching you this semester. I'll probably teach you next semester. Um, there's a WhatsApp group that has been created, and I've been added to that group. If you have any queries about the syllabus or about the GE form, the GE and the ACC form that you need to fill up, you can post your queries on the group, and I'll address the queries as soon as I can. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of the department. I'm sure you will have a lot of fun in Metri and you will learn an awful lot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amrita Ajay. I have a terribly sore throat, so I can't speak much today. But I'm not teaching you this semester. However, next semester, hopefully, we'll study something together. Once again, I also welcome all of you to the department. I hope all of you have fun in college and learn something.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Kaifru. I'll be teaching one paper for the first year. So, in the course of the semester, we'll get to interact with each other. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, hi everyone. This is Professor Meera. First years, welcoming you all to the family of Maitri, and I'll be teaching you AECC English this semester, and hopefully we'll get to interact and know each other more through this virtual mode of teaching. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Suman here. I'll be teaching you first year students. Hello and welcome to Maitri College. I will be taking the 8:30 class with you people on Saturdays, and I'll be teaching you Sophocles. And even though we're going to meet on a virtual basis to begin with, let's just hope that we build up a good relationship with each other, and someday soon we'll be able to meet each other face to face. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nupur Chawla, and I'm also going to teach you one of the papers. And I welcome you all to Maitri College, and I really hope that you have the fruitful 3 years studying here. Thank you.
This year, we have called office bearer also, who would be representing you, who would be guiding you. And we have very rich society called Diti, and you have already received invitation from society for the event, right? So our English Department Union office bearer will be introducing themselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Alfisha and I was a part of your group. I'm sure most of you know me from there, but I will just repeat myself. I'm the president of DITI, the English Literary Association of Maitri College, and I welcome you all to college. It has been late, like you have started the college late, but I'm sure you all are going to have like a good time in Maitri because you will get to learn a lot with all the amazing teachers that we have here. So once again, I welcome you all. And if you all have any problem or any doubts, you can always reach out to either of us. Now, I will ask the other council members to introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, I'm Akriti. You guys probably don't know me. I'm the Vice President of DITI, the English Literary Association. A very warm welcome to you all. As Alfisha said, it has been late, but you guys trust me, it's going to be one really fun year, and we have like lots of activities planned for you ahead. So just enjoy with everything. So welcome.
Hello guys, I'm Palak. I'm the treasurer of DITI. I know it is late, but I really hope that you will enjoy this year, and I'm quite sure that you will. It will be really worth it. And if you guys have any doubts or queries, you can reach to any of us, as Alfisha said. And all the best.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Momel, the cultural secretary here. And at the onset, I want to say that there is a lot of information in and outflow throughout the 3 years. So in case you have any questions, academic or otherwise, please let any of the council members know, and we'll be sure to help you. Best of luck.
Hi guys, I'm Ishita. I'm one of the council members. I'm a second year and sending you all my very socially distant warm welcomes. Socially distant hugs and warm welcomes. It's going to be great. It's going to be fun. You will be having a lot of fun, and I hope you all have a great time. If you need any help, please reach out to me. And if you are stressed and you want to have fun, you can also reach out to me.
Hello everyone, this is Khushi Grover and I am in second year. First of all, welcome. We have the best faculty here and you will enjoy your 3 years. We will enjoy it together, and let's just hope that we'll meet soon.
Hey guys, my name is Kritika and I'm also a second year student. I welcome you all to this great journey we will have mixed with literature and aesthetics. I hope you guys will have a lot of fun. And if there's any problem, make sure to reach out to us. We will try our best to help you out. Thank you.
Literature is not about reading from the book. Literature is about exploring yourself. I'm telling you, you are going to now explore everyone with the talk, with the work, with the character. You will see everyone somewhere on the other, and that is fun of literature. But worst part of literature, you start analyzing so much that you forget sometimes joy of the life, right? So as it is, we stop seeing the things, so I'm very sure that it is going to change your perspective of the life. It is going to change you completely, right? Now request our first years to introduce themselves.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Anshika Avni, and I'm
Yeah.
from Ranchi, Jharkhand, Jawahar Vidya Mandir, Shamli.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Bhavna Chauhan from Delhi NCR, Khaitan Public School.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vaishnavi Singh. I am from City Montessori School, Mahanagar campus, Lucknow.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya. I'm from Delhi. I am based in Delhi and I'm from Delhi Police Public School, Safdarjung Enclave. Nice to meet you all.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bhumi this side, and I'm from Gurgaon, and my school was DAV Public School, Sector 14. Thank you so much.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shubhangi Yadav from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm from Girls High School and College, Allahabad.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arunima, and I'm from Army Public School, Shankar Vihar. I hope we get along.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sanjana Jha, and I'm from Delhi, from DAV Public School, Vasant Kunj.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bhavya Ahuja from Ghaziabad, Shri Thakur Dwara Balika Vidyalaya.
Please.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah. Introduce
Good afternoon,
yourself.
everyone. I'm Malvika, and I have studied from New Greenfield School, New Delhi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Diya Kaisar and I'm from Kashmir, Srinagar, and I've studied in Green Valley Educational Institute, Srinagar only. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shrishti and I'm from Delhi Rukmani Devi Public School.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Diksha. I'm from Delhi and I have completed my 12th from Delhi Jain Public School. Thank you.
My name is Muskan. I'm from Delhi and I have completed my 12th class from GVIPS school.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Nurjahan Khatun. I am from Rajshri Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya, Delhi. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sandhya and I have done my schooling from Army Public School, Agra, Cant. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Akshi and I'm from Rohtak, Haryana. I did my schooling from Scholars Tuti Senior Secondary Schools. It's in Rohtak only.
Hi, this is Harshita. My last school was in Arunachal Pradesh, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Nilchale.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nikat and I completed my 12th from Panchshir Public School, South Delhi. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tarasha Khandelwal. I live in Delhi and I've completed my schooling from Convent of Jesus and Mary. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Parmita Chaudhary. I am from Army Public School, Lucknow, and looking forward to have a wonderful time here. Thank you.
A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Vanshika, and I am from Malot, Punjab, and I have studied from DAV Public School, Malot itself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Yashodhara Gupta. I am from Kolkata, and I have studied from the Future Foundation School.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and hello out there, everyone. I am Avantika from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I have passed out my 12th grade from KDB Public School, and I'm looking forward to have fun with you all along with the academics.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Moksha Raj Yadav. I'm from Rewari, Haryana, Holijai Public School. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Khushi Chawla from Moti Nagar, and I completed my 12th from Faith Academy School. It was nice meeting you all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tuhina from Prudence School, Delhi.
It's really nice to know our students, and it's heartfelt, I don't know, overwhelming response. I'm happy about one thing more, that students are from different background. We have from diverse culture, from students from very, very different culture, different background, and mostly students are not only from Delhi but from outside of Delhi also. It's very good to know, and I'm very happy about it, that you will explore yourself and explore your life, and you can be something, like you can think of doing something. Now English, after doing English honors, you have lots of opportunity, that all the media persons, all the people who are writing content, writing for website, all the HRs, because all the, wherever you can think of, wherever you can think of exploring yourself. Moreover, it teaches you how to explore yourself and how to explore others. And like what kind of, and it our literature, our course is constructed in a way, it is such a diverse course that you will be learning about everyone and every culture. So it would be easy for you to interact with multicultural people. So it gives you lots of good exposure. Our students are doing very well. Some of them are lawyers, many of them are assistant professors, many of them are working with the many British school companies. Many of them are political analysts. Some of them have done their B.Ed and teaching in the schools. Like all field you can think of, right? You meet Maitri students who have done English honors. So you can understand any TV channel you go, even for Hindi channels. Like English students are mostly wanted because if you can speak in Hindi, because you can translate fast and they can take two reporters job from you. So like it creates huge market for you, and that gives you various opportunity to explore yourself, right? That is all about career options we have for English, right? Now, since we have diverse culture people, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call Alfisha. And what she will be doing with you? She will be introducing you, tutoring you, basically teaching you how to take Google Classroom, how to join Google Classrooms, and how to join Google Meet for the class, the medium we would be joining our class from.
I will just present my screen. So this is a very basic presentation about how you have to go about Google Classroom, because most of your classes you are going to have like most of the material that is going to be shared and everything about the class is going to be on the Google Classroom. So the presentation is quite self-explanatory, but I will still tell you. So I'm sure all of you have a Google account and you are signed in from that account. So this is just that step. Next, you will have to, if you use it from your phone, you will have to download the app in your phone. Otherwise, if you use it on your systems, then you can get the Google Classroom by going to this button, the one that the arrow is pointing towards, or you can even search it on Google and you will get next. So the teachers for different subjects, they will be creating different classrooms and they will be sending the codes to you for the classroom. So you just have to join the class in the Google. When you open the Google Classroom, there will be an option to join the class, and when you click on that, then you will get this option of entering the class code. You have to enter the class code and you have to join the class, and then you will be a part of this class where the teachers will share the material that they will be teaching in the class, and most of the updates about the class. And if you have to see the people that are a part of the class, then there are different tabs that you can go to for different purposes. If anybody has any questions, then you can ask.
Richa ma'am is always available to help you with the technical glitches if you face any, right? She's always there to guide you. She's always there to help you, and she's in your WhatsApp group. She has most of the timetable, so she will be giving you timetable also today, sharing with you all the information. Now comes the G and the AECC option forms, which I have shared with you. You must have gone through. Richa ma'am has also shared with you yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
AECC, because you are English honors students, so you will be taking AECC as English, right? I don't think so. You will be interested in studying Hindi. So you will be taking, as if we have Hindi, English and Punjabi, any of Sanskrit, any of the AECC you can take. But I know most of you would be interested in taking English only, right? Okay. So one problem is sorted out. AECC we are taking as in English only, and we will be joining English AECC. We will be filling up that. Next comes G. G, you have sociology, economics, I guess. You have political science, history, right? And you have other, like, you have these options for English. So what you would be doing, bachas, you will be clicking any of the option. 2 semester you have to study 1G compulsorily. It is compulsory for everyone. Suppose I have taken G as in economics, it is compulsory for me to study economics G for 2 semester. I can change only my option after 2 semester. Okay? If I study my G for 4 semesters, that is first year and second year, I'm eligible to do my MA with the subject, right? Okay? So it is advisable that you study GE for the 4th semester, but you can change after 2 semester. 2 semester you have to study compulsorily. There is no choice in between semester, right? So fill up your form carefully. Fill it up whatever choice you want to take up, whatever would be helpful for you, you take accordingly, right? I guess this is sorted out for you. Anybody has any question till here? Anybody has any question?
Ma'am, what if we'll be changing the college? Then if the college does not have the same options, then what are we supposed to do if the other college does not have the same options?
Other college doesn't have the same option means?
Ma'am, if we change the college, because the army list has not come out, so if we change the college after that, so if the other college does not have the same option,
I cannot tell. These options we have, right? Suppose 2 semesters you have studied in our college, which if you will study, many of the people, because I know you must be thinking, कि क्या है, you know, because our perception is not very wide. We are new, right? Okay. And many people don't know, but we have more than any other college extra curricular activities, society activities. We have Diti, our English society is very active, and most of the students, they come with the idea that they would be changing college after some time of you know, with this and that, whatever, you know. But ultimately, kind of faculties, love, care, affection you get, and kind of opportunity you get to explore yourself. Trust me, you will mark my word for today, and when you will be going for farewell, you will be saying that, ma'am, you were right. You will not get in many more in most of the colleges. So whatever, if you go to other colleges, suppose you have studied with us 2 semester G, if other college doesn't have this option, you have to choose other option and you have to go with the other option, right? I guess I have answered your question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody has any more question to ask?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I was thinking of taking sociology as my GE option, and I just wanted to know how good of a subject it is, how it goes well along with English.
English goes along with any subject, because with English, not only it is not about studying language, it is about studying literature, right? And literature is not only samaj, sahitya samaj ka darpan hota hai. It is not, this concept is known, right? Okay. It is about psychology. It is about sociology. It is about history. It is about economics. It is about political science, right? So when you study English, you study everything almost, right? And we will be discussing with you in the background topics with different authors, different writers from different stream, and of course you will be enjoying, right? This is the subject which is amalgamation of many subjects, you know, so you will enjoy a lot. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. And if you want to go for social work, MSW, right, in the like you want to do, or you want to take other options, it would be very good combination for you. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who is, anybody has any more questions?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask, I was thinking of taking computer science as my GE. So would that also include physics, chemistry, bio subjects like this, or
No.
just computers?
It would be just computers.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I wanted to take Hindi as my general elective. So how well would it go with English?
You're more than welcome. Go ahead, take it. It is all about studying literature, right? Okay. So
Okay, thank
it
you,
will
ma'am.
go well with your combination. I told you. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर बहुत सारे इंडियन लिटरेचर कर रहे हैं. Anybody else has to answer? Anybody thinks other way? Yeah. Do we offer Hindi with English? But any of the teachers can tell me? Richa? Amrita?
Offer Hindi with English as in?
GE subject में.
We
have to see. I don't think so.
No, they'll definitely go together because we teach a lot of translations as well.
That we teach. That will go, definitely it will go together. Right? But do we offer Hindi with English? That we have to see.
That is a question that I think the timetable committee will be able to answer, Smriti.
Yeah. So that we will see. Okay. If you have seen the option form, it would be shown to you. You take your option. We will see to it. Okay. Of course, it goes very well, and in the long run, it will help you because you can do your course. And nowadays, we are in need of translators, for all the languages, and we don't have. So very few people have expertise on Hindi and English both. So you can go ahead, right? Okay. Next, anybody else has any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Parmita. Okay, thank you. Ma'am, what is the last day to fill the form?
Beta, last day, I will suggest that you should fill by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
so
ma'am. Thank
your
you.
classes can start fast.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Many of the teachers are not keeping well. Some of them have classes. So they are not there, but you have many more teachers and they would be teaching you. Right? Anybody has any more questions?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have English honors as a core. So, what if we choose English in our JE, like GE also? What does that have to offer? We cannot, but there was an option, so I just asked. Okay, ma'am.
No, we cannot. English, you have English honors. You cannot choose English as a GE. Right? Okay. Anybody else? As an AACC subject, you can take English, but not as a GE.
Ma'am, one question. Ma'am, I wanted to take... Yes, you continue.
Yes. So, thank you. So about the generic elective, I want to tell the first years that in case you are not happy with your subjects, you can change it. For most colleges, you can change it after a semester, but at Medley, you can change it after your first year. But having said that, I don't think it's advisable for you to be changing subjects. So just make a very conscious choice.
Yeah, that's what I told you. That if you do your GE properly for 4 semesters, you can do MA with that subject, right? So you have another option which is available.
So if you study the same GE for 2 years, then you get a minor degree for the same subject.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
yes,
can I ask?
continue. Yeah.
Ma'am, if we study our GE for the first 2 semesters and then we go on and change it, can we study the second one for the 4 semesters? And then also it becomes a minor if you change it after first 2 semesters.
First year and second year only you study GE, right?
Okay.
First 2 semester, first, second, third, fourth. You
Okay,
cannot
ma'am.
study GE for 5th and 6th semester.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, one question. Ma'am, I wanted to take political science. Is it necessary to have that in 12th board exams?
No. It is not necessary.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I guess the most important thing comes right now. That is choosing your class representative. Who wants to volunteer for class representative? You have lots of responsibility. First, let me explain to you. You have to coordinate with all the teachers, right? You have to make your class kind of presentable everywhere. You have to show your class presence in all activities. You have to coordinate with teachers. You have to coordinate with your classmates, understand them, understand teacher's problem, communicate message on time. And who has patience? They can only be class monitors, class representatives. So who would like to volunteer for class representative?
Ma'am,
I would like to volunteer.
Even I would like to volunteer for the class representative.
Ma'am, I would too volunteer.
Okay.
Even I would like to volunteer.
So please tell me your names.
Akshi.
Bhavna Chauhan.
Akshi.
Bhumi Yadav.
Bhumi Yadav.
Diksha. Bhavna Chauhan.
Yashika.
Yeah. So we have 4 people who would like to.
Bhavna Chauhan.
Bhavna Chauhan.
Ma'am,
Diksha.
Now I know that you don't know each other, but still, if you are given choice, whom would you choose as a class representative? Rest of the class. Teachers, can you help me out with the choosing class representative?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Should we do a random roulette to choose the class representatives, as we have a lot of enthusiastic volunteers for the post?
Yes.
We can list all of their names and we can just pick.
Acha, one more thing. Students who are planning to change college, please don't opt for class representative. Okay? So that makes our life little easier. Now you tell me options. All of you want to remain at Maitrey or you want to change your college?
Ma'am, I won't be changing.
Definitely staying.
I'll be staying in Maitrey only.
So, Vidhi, what's your name? Both of you tell me your name.
Bhumi Yadav.
Bhumi Yadav and
Akshi.
Akshi. So for the time being, we have we have Akshi as the first class monitor and Bhumi as a second class representative, right? Okay. And congratulations to both of you. And
thank you, ma'am.
Please take your responsibility seriously. You have to coordinate with all the teachers, seeing your timetable, help everyone, be available for everyone. Okay? Yeah?
Sure, ma'am.
So this is huge responsibility actually. Right? Okay? Congratulations to you. And
thank
congratulations to all of you basically who have not, like, after getting such a good marks, you have come to such a esteemed institution. It is difficult to get admission in the university and you all have made through, and that too in such a difficult time, in pandemic time. You have worked hard, you have achieved what you wanted to. Now don't blow in that wind, right? We have to come out with that thing that, oh, we have achieved what we wanted to. Now next comes what we have to achieve, right? So we have to decide. Let's, I'm not saying that don't have fun. Have lots of fun. Have fun as much you can have, right? Okay. But be focused on your goal and achieve something which you have come for. Like most of you from outside, and you will be coming to Delhi once we will start, and you have to, like, not only spend a lot, you have to stay away from your parents and work hard and struggle for your everything, right? Okay, which you have not done at home. So please pay for that struggle, and please do what is needful to be done. I like, study carefully. If you devote little bit of your time in your study, you can achieve what you want to. So please, I always tell my first years, don't dream of the dream you have has been shown by the movies about the colleges. It is not altogether that. If you will think like that, you will be disappointed with us. We teach, we study, we work hard. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Love you all.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.